Now, maybe our file is just a little bit too big. We've seen that it did reduce from 65 to 51 meg, but if that is too big, we can look at zipping it up with gzip or with bzip2, or if we really need it compressed, then we can look at gz compression. So we need to investigate these utilities to both zip them up, unzip them, and also take a look at the time to compress. We're going to begin by taking a look at gzip to begin with. So let's move out to our command line. And welcome back, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go through and see how we can save a little bit of disk space by compressing our files. When I look at the original archive, this is the 51 meg file. Now, it's not compressed, but it's just making good and efficient use of the disk space being a single file. If I go through and want to zip it up, one of the common utilities is gzip, and I can then specify just gzip doc.tar, and I can hit the big enter key, and it would compress. But before I do this, let's use Control and A to move to the beginning of the line, so we can time how long it takes to compress. When I look at executing it, we can see that it's 0.992 seconds. So to all intents and purposes, 1/10 of a second. But what did we gain from that? Let's go through and just take a look. If I look at ls minus lh, on the doc.tar.gz file, the original doc.tar file no longer exists. It's been zipped up inside of this file, and we can now see that we've halved the size of the file, 26 meg. So it took 0.1 seconds, and we gained 26 meg of disk space, more or less. So this isn't too bad. It's not time consuming, and it gives us good compression. Okay, so now we've got to this point. What about bringing it back? Well, okay, the reverse of gzip is gunzip. So literally I type gunzip, g unzip, and then I specify the file, so doc.tar.gz. Decompressing a file will always be quicker than compressing it. And let's go through now and take a look. I no longer have the .gz file, but I now have my .tar file, and it's back at its 51 meg.